Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to discuss another time operation. In last few video tutorials, we have started our time operations on signals. We have discussed about time scale operation for both continuous time and discrete time signal. Then we discussed about time shift operation, including advance and time delays operation for both continuous time signals and discrete time signals. And now we are going to discuss the third and the last part of time operations, or the transformation of independent variable, uh, and that is called basically time reversal operation. So what is time reversal operation? Let's learn about it. So in time reversal operation, what is the replacement, or what we actually do? We replace t variable with minus t variable, right? Or we replace t simply with minus t. One can also call it, it is a special case of time scale. We remember that we were replacing t with bt, and the value of the b was defining whether it is going to be compression or expansion. If it was greater than zero, then it was compression. If it was less than zero, then it was basically expansion. But what is the time reversal case here? It is unity, but not simple unity, rather it is negative unity or simple -1. So eventually it will neither compress the signal nor expand the signal. Rather, it will simply reverse the signal in terms of time, right? And what does it mean? It means, for example, you are given with a signal, and it's this is your y-axis, and let's say that your signal is something like that. So what is going to happen? It will reverse the signal along the y-axis. So the in the time reverse function will be something like that. So you notice that this green signal is exactly replica of this blue signal, but in negative time, right? Similarly, for example, your signal was like that. For example, signal was, for example, yeah, this one. So if I'm going to time reverse this signal, what is going to happen? It will happen like that. So your signal will be flipped around the y-axis, and that is what my next point is. Flips the signal across the y-axis. And how it does happen, we will do in both mathematical form and as well as in graphical form. So let's do the thing in mathematical form. So in mathematical method, if I'm going to discuss the time reversal operation, so let's say this is our original signal x of 2t, and its definition is 2t plus 1, and its interval is defined from -1 to 3. So what I'm going to do in mathematical, replace t by minus t. So wherever we find t, we will replace it with minus t. I hope you can see that this t is replaced with minus t. This t is also replaced with minus t, and the t which is given in the interval is also replaced with minus t. Then we will simply calculate this or simplify this equation for time variable. So this will become minus 2t plus 2, and this minus will get multiplied on both sides. So this -1 will become +1, and this sign will change. Remember, in mathematics, whenever you multiply the negative sign in inequalities, then your inequalities are changed. So this less than or equal to is changed into greater than or equal to. Similarly, this less than or equal to is changed in greater than or equal to. So final equation, which will be the time reversal operation or time reversal equation of this original signal, will be this one, right? So you see that this is the new definition, minus 2t plus 2, and its interval is changed. Remember, the interval was from -1 to 3. Somewhere here it was 0. So now the new signal will be from -3 to 1. So you see, this is kind of reversal in time domain, right? And we are going to also notice this thing in graphical form. So let's move to the graphical form to understand it a bit further. Okay, I'm gonna plot this signal in graphical form, and this is the equation of the main signal, and this is the equation of the time reversal signal. So I will plot both of the signals. So signal's definition will be 2t plus 2, and then the interval we will be using from -1, then we will use 0, then we will use 1, then we'll use 2, and then we will use 3. So let's say if I'm going to use -1. So 2 into -1 would become -2 plus 2 will become 0. So at -1, its value will be simply 0. Let's say if I'm going to use 0, 2 into 0 will be 0 plus 2 would become 2. So at 0, its value will be somewhere here. Let's say if I'm going to use 1 to 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 become 4. So at 1, its value will be somewhere 4, right? Similarly, if I'm going to use, let's say 2 into 2 plus 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So signal value will be somewhere here, right? And similarly, the last value 3 into 2 would be 6 plus 2, 8, right? So at 3, signal value will be somewhere here, right? So if I want to connect these points, our signal will look like this. And since this signal is defined in between only in this interval, so in rest of the part greater than 3 and below -1, signal value will be simply 0, right? So this is the original signal. Let's plot the time reversal part, right? So graph, right? For example, if I want to plot here, your time reversal should look like this, right? So let's plot the signal and verify whether it actually flips the signal around y-axis or not, right? So if I'm going to put here, the values will start from -3. So this is -1, this is -2, and this is -3. So -3. So -3 into -3 would become 6 plus 2, 8. So at -3, signal's value will be somewhere here. Similarly, at -2, its value would be what? 4 plus 2, 6. So signal value will be somewhere here. At -1, signal value will be plus 2 plus 2, 4. So signal value will be somewhere here. And similarly, at 0, its value would be simply 2. So signal value will remain 0, right? And at +1, if I'm going to put here +1 minus 2 into 1 would become -2, and +2 would become 0. So if I want to connect these 2 points, this will become like that. And if I continue the rest of the part, which is the 0 part, so this signal will look like that. And I hope you can now verify your time reversal signal is actually replica or flip signal across the y-axis, and you can verify that statement from here, right? Furthermore, very important part or very important thing to notice here that x of 0 in original signal and x of 0 in time reverse signal both will have no effect of time reversal, because you can make one negative, it will be -1. You can make -2 as +2 for the negative version, but for 0, 0 is always non-negative. So that means your win or x of 0 win will never change, or its value will remain same as an effect of time reversal. So I hope you have understand the time reversal. Still, if you have any query in time reversal operation, you can post your queries in the comment section. Thank you so much for listening.